வெல்கம் டு ஃப்ளார் சேலஞ்சஸ் யூடியூப் சேனல். பெருந்தலைவர் காமராசரின் 118வது பிறந்த நாளை நாம் கல்வி வளர்ச்சி நாளாக இன்று கொண்டாடுகிறோம். காமராசர் பற்றிய சிறப்பு காணொளியை காணலாம். கர்ம வீரரு எங்க காமராசரு, சட்டம் போட்டாரு, புது திட்டம் போட்டாரு, நாட்டுக்காகவே வாழ்ந்து வந்தாரு, தன்னலத்தையே மறந்து போனாரு. கருப்பு தங்கந்தான் காமராசரு, கட்டி தங்கந்தான் கர்ம வீரரு, சிற்றூர் தோறுமே பள்ளி திறந்தாரு, மதிய உணவு தந்துமே பசிய தீர்த்தாரு, வேறுபாடு நீக்கவே சீருடை தந்தாரு. நம்ம தலைவரு நல்ல தலைவரு, கர்ம வீரரு எங்க காமராசரு.
Kamarajar was born in Virudhunagar in Tamil Nadu. His mother is Sivagami and father Kumarasamy. He was born on July 15, 1903. After the death of his father Kumarasamy, he stopped his education due to lack of money to spend it for educational purpose. This created a great thinking in his mind. He continued his later life by doing business. He played a virtual role in the freedom and development movement of India. Education and Kamarajar. Once the tour he had a visit to the village in the car. Meanwhile, a shepherd boy told him to stop the car. Kamarajar got down the car and came to the boy. "Brother, you have not gone to school?" "Why?" he asked. "We never have school in our town. How could I go to school?" "Have you read in your local schools?" the boy asked to Kamarajar. "If I go to school every day, who will give me food?" the boy asked Kamarajar. "Oh yes, will you go to school regularly if food is provided to you?" he asked the shepherd. "Of course," said the boy. "If the school has facilitated the provision of education in rural areas to increase the school's director." Kamarajar immediately came to Chennai to meet Sundara Vadivelu to plan to implement lunch meals program immediately to all schools. Kamarajar as a freedom fighter. 1952. Won in parliamentary election. 1954. Become the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar introduced a scheme of providing uniform to all school students in Tamil Nadu. Conclusion. Thus, Kamarajar realized the impact of education and its significant nature and uses in the later life of every individual. He enhanced people and removed the differences that arise on the basis of status and money. Such great peoples died on October 2, 1975, on the day where Gandhi was born.